Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing a what fits in my bag video. This will be for the Saint Laurent Sade bag. I've had this bag for about 4 months now, and yeah, I haven't used it a lot, but I've used it enough, and I feel like it fits quite a lot inside. The only thing I would say is because it's lambskin, the leather is quite delicate, so I don't want to overstuff it. I accidentally already kind of damaged my bag. I'm not in the UK at the moment. I'm currently in Vietnam. So I travelled with this bag and it kind of got squashed by accident. And as I said, because it's lambskin, the leather's very soft and supple, so it can mould easily. So I don't know if you can tell here, this side, it's kind of ruined. Like you can see, there's like a small dent. But I'm gonna try and stuff it with stuff and then leave it for a while and shape it so it can go back to its original shape. But yeah, let me just get straight into it. This is how the bag looks. So you have the YSL logo there. Then you have the zipper with the Saint Laurent logo. It's just like a tube, there's no feet at the bottom of the bag. There's gold hardware and there's like an off-white cream colour. I'm just going to get straight into it and show you what actually fits in. So right now in here I've got a phone. So this is the SX Max. So it's quite a big size. I've also got my card holder in here, and it's quite thick. I don't know if you can tell, but I've got quite a lot of stuff in here. I've got cards and yeah. I also have, so I always carry a makeup brush with me. Because I'm on holiday, I have these plastic bags. So I've just popped it in one and I'll just take it in so it doesn't get the interior of my bag dirty. I also have 3 lip glosses. I've got this by number 7, the Dior Lip Maximizer. This is really good, by the way. This is in the shade 12. I recommend you get this colour. It's not what I'm wearing right now. I bought this in, this is brand new. Okay guys, I'm so sorry if the positioning has changed. My phone just died, so I had to quickly charge it up and set it back up again. So as I was saying, I have 3 lip glosses, the Dior Lip Maximizer. This is from Thailand. I don't even know what brand this is, but yeah, I thought I'd buy it. And then I've got the number 7 High Shine Lip Gloss. Also in my bag, I have AirPods, the AirPod Pros, so they're a bit larger than the regular ones. I also have perfume tester, and I have a bunch of receipts, and then that's that. I mean, I could fit a little bit more. This is empty now. I could fit more, but as I said, the leather is very delicate, so I don't want to stretch the leather out or ruin it. But I'm gonna stop wearing this bag for a while because I feel like, yeah, I need to fix it. But yeah, I love this bag so much. I just would say if you do decide to buy a bag that's in lambskin, in general, just be careful. Also, these only come in lambskin. They don't have any other, you can't get any other kind of leather. But the bag is worth it. It's a good price. It fits a decent amount in. I can fit in all my essentials, so like my lip glosses, my AirPods, my brush, my cards, my phone, and I still have like, I could fit more things in if I wanted to. But yeah, I don't want this video to be long, so that's the end of the video, guys. I'm gonna try and edit it and then put it out quickly. But yeah, if you want me to do any more videos concerning the bag, or any other videos about anything at all, just comment it below. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and yeah, that's it basically. But yeah, the bag's nice. I love this bag so much.
I tell with a bad little bitch. Screwing outside, but I'm swinging on stage. Sipping on my bitch, sleeping on chain. Niggas be talking about that is okay. Bitches be talking about that is okay.